Hello, I'm Dr. Deepthi and we are looking at different concepts from maths under the heading Decreations Mathematics. We have been looking at the concept of linear combination. Then in the last episode, we looked at the concept of linear independence. If you recall, this is what linear independence was, and in order to understand linear independence, we had basically tried to revise the concept of linear combination. So in case of linear independence, we had seen that this vector equation of C1V1 plus C2V2 plus and so forth plus CKVK is equal to 0. This holds only if all the scalars are 0 simultaneously. Now what happens if all the scalars are not 0 simultaneously? In that case, we say that the vectors are linearly dependent. That means this vector equation C1V1 plus C2V2 plus dot 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 plus CKVK is equal to 0 holds true. Even if some of the scalars are not 0 or even if all of the scalars are not 0. Let us see some examples. V1 is given as 4, 7. V2 is given as minus 18, minus 14. Now you can clearly see that if you multiply vector V1 by 2 and add to it vector V2, you are going to get 0. In fact, this brings us to another important corollary, that if one of the vectors is a scalar multiplication of the other vector, together they form a linearly dependent set. Let us see one more example. There are three vectors given: 1, 1, 0, 1, 3, 2 and 4, 9, 5. Now try multiplying the first vector by 3, second vector by 5 and third vector by minus 2 and try to combine them. If I multiply this by 3, this will give me 3 plus 5 is 8, minus 8 is 0. Similarly, 3 plus 15 is 18, minus 18 is 0. Similarly, this is anyway 0. 10 minus 10 gives me 0. So basically it will give you 0, 0, 0, which is basically the 0 vector here. So we find that if the scalars are all not simultaneously 0, or even if all of them are non-zero, and still if you get the linear combination to be equal to 0, then that is a set of linearly dependent vectors. We will see some more interesting properties based on this in the further episodes. Thank you.